So I'm generally not a very tidy person. I'm not very organized in real life. I like keeping my things wherever I want to, but I know exactly where my things are on most cases. But a few days back, I lost my glasses because I forgot where I kept them. It doesn't happen very often, but I sat on them and it broke. And now it looks like this. And I did what any normal person would do. I went to the Lenskart store to get it fixed. But I ended up buying two new pairs of glasses because they had a buy one get one free offer. And this is the second time that I'm falling for this. And I also got insurance for my pair of glasses. Do you have insurance on your glasses? Do you know anyone who has insurance for their glasses? Or is it just me? But that's not what I have an issue with. It's okay that I have insurance on my pair of glasses. But I was supposed to get both the pairs a few days back, and the second pair of glasses, which I did not need, it failed the quality check. And now it will take another week for them to fix that. And I'm leaving Bangalore in the next few days. So now I have to go to the showroom and hopefully convince them to courier the glasses to Kerala whenever they get them. I'm pretty sure they won't agree, but I guess that's all I can do.
So I'm on the way to Lenskart right now to collect my glasses, but as usual, there's something that's going wrong. I was supposed to get two pairs of glasses, but now I'm only getting one, and I don't have enough time to wait for the next one. So let's figure out what we can do. This also happens to be one of the last times that I'm stepping out in Bangalore, at least for 2020. So it feels kind of Zero 052. Both of them have come? Both have come? Yes. Oh wow, great.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, so I got both the pairs of glasses then. Apparently the second one came in today. So I think that's great. Nice. Okay, I don't really know if you can see this, but the weather in Bangalore right now is extremely moody and cloudy. I think this is one of the things that I'm gonna miss the most about Bangalore.
Okay, that went better than I expected. See, this is why you should never expect anything from anyone, because you'll be happy regardless of whatever happens. And I guess that's all for today. I hope you guys are safe, and I'll see you soon.